In this video, we will quickly show you where to set the camera light modes in the Hik-connect mobile app. From the device list, select your NVR as usual. When you're looking at the target camera, click the little downward arrow to reveal more settings. Now click on the light bulb icon in the center to enter the compensation light configuration menu. If the option is not available to you, make sure the hardware supports it, and the firmware is up to date on both the NVR and the camera. Here you can choose how you want the white LED lights to behave during nighttime. Keep the LED lights on all the time to maintain full color picture. Turn them off completely and use infrared instead, or only turn them on when activity is detected. Very quick and easy. Thanks for watching.